Welcome to Mystical Minds. I'm your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading an article from Danny Martin Gerard. The State of Receivership. Allowing and receiving is being in a state of receivership. It's knowing the desire is already yours as you hold the vision in your mind and don't waver. The only control we ever have is through thought, word, and action. When these three things are in alignment with your desire, you are a match to whatever it is you're attracting. Manifestation means you feel the emotions you will feel when you hold it in the palm of your hands. It means you know if one person did it, so can you, or you can be the first one to achieve what was once deemed impossible. The ones who achieve the impossible say, I don't need proof. I can be the living example of breaking the limitations and thriving. I can serve as a testimony for anyone who needs that boost of faith and confirmation. We all come from the same spirit that creates worlds. So don't underestimate yourself and what you're capable of doing from the divine. We are all created from the divine, and there is a God or goddess within everyone. When we realize this, we unleash our inner gifts for ourselves and the world. Recognizing the God or goddess within us is saying we have the spirit to conquer anything, to achieve anything, and to be anything we desire. Recognizing this spirit is the ultimate state of receivership. It's knowing when you do the mental work, you're in the process of creation. It's knowing when you feel the emotions of joy, gratitude, and love, you're manifesting the essence of your thoughts and emotions. It's knowing when you're imagining, you're in the process of creation and transformation. You can be in the process of a negative creation or positive creation. So invest time being productive with your thoughts, your inner dialogue, and the words you speak. Follow the inspiration and take the action steps. The pen is in your hands. Know your power and know with unwavering faith you can reshape your destiny. Remember, the source remains with your every thought, word, and action. So do your part and allow the universe to unleash its magic. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was beautiful. I really like this article, and I believe this with all my heart and soul. I believe when you finally let go of everything, the ego is what I actually mean. When you finally let go of that ego and just follow love, that's the divine within you. That's what I believe. I believe the divine is in you. Universe, God, whatever you want to call that power or energy, it dwells in you. And when you let that open the doors for you, stop being so tense and trying to force things. Just allow it to happen. It will happen. Whatever you truly desire, I believe will happen. Whatever you truly desire from the heart, what makes you truly happy. And recognizing that when you're in that gratitude state, love state, that's when you're ready and you're aligned, and that's when things will start to come. I believe that with all my heart and soul. Thank you very much for listening, and until next week, have a beautiful week and have a beautiful day today.